How to change update interval time for GPU watch on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings tab. Now in setting, scroll down, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down to end. You will see GPU watch is here, so click on GPU watch. So first of all, turn on this button. So after turn on GPU watch and click on general management. So after click on general management, so click on update interval. So if you want to change update interval time, so you will select 1s, 3s, 5s, 500 ms and 250 ms and 100 ms, 50 ms. So after selecting, click on OK. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change update interval time for GPU watch on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.